One of the reasons why I'm so happy that I have other makeup artists as friends is that they show me the coolest tips and tricks and products. And one of them, my friend Robin showed me. She gave me a little sample from this company called Mally, and the sample is a product called Face Defender, and it's a mattifier for your skin. It comes with a sponge, and sorry, I used it already. I got excited, but it's got this really interesting texture. And I'm going to try to find somewhere that's a little shiny to show you. It just absolutely takes away the shine without leaving any powdery residue. And for any sort of red carpet or photograph or life situation, and you don't want that powdery residue, like, this stuff is amazing. I am very stoked about this. Go check out Mally Beauty. I'm super into this. Thank you, Mally, for sending this to me, and thank you, Robin, for introducing it to me. They also sent me this gorgeous black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner called Just Wing It, and it has this really fine tip so I can get that super sharp line. Loving this. They also sent me these really beautiful eyeshadow pencils, which they go on like butter. Ooh, this one's really bronzy. I feel like I need to add. I have tried one of their other pencils and eyeshadow pencils, and it stayed on really, really well. So anyway, check them out, because if it wasn't for my friend Robin, I would know nothing about this gorgeous, gorgeous product. What was the other one I wanted to try? Oh yeah, this one, this beautiful pink. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, yeah, head over, check out Mally. Oh my God,